Amprobe, the inventor of the clamp meter, introduces the new AMP 200 and 300 series TRMS clamp meters. Built to deliver accurate measurements in challenging electrical, HVAC, and motor maintenance environments. Featuring true RMS measurement for noisy environments, a low-pass filter for variable frequency drives, capacitance measurement for start and run capacitors. The new AMP tip function allows for precise current measurement of small diameter wires. Core HVAC features, including temperature, DC microamps, and capacitance. And key motor maintenance functions, including the capacitance measurement for start and run capacitor testing, inrush current measurement for motor startup, three-phase sequence and motor rotation, which is enabled by the 3 input jacks. The AMP 200 and 300 series clamp meters are surprisingly versatile, designed to eliminate the need for multiple tools.